Canva Pro, right? You're sitting there at the home screen. You're just overwhelmed with information. Overload. Create a new design, templates, new projects, recent projects, logo, brand kits. All of this is what you're going to need to know. But that's not what you should know if you want to make money on Canva. There's going to be 3 points in this video, and the third one you're going to love. Now that you have the necessary features and benefits, it's time for you to start making money online. How can I do this? What can we do? Well, I'll let you know. But before I do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for more. Every little bit helps. I hold the key to our path to victory, and it is relatively simple to achieve. All you need is to be highly motivated, willing to listen, and willing to make it easier for you to apply your new skills. Now, before I reveal my secrets to you, again, like, subscribe, hit that bell. You should already be familiar with my content. Most of you, if not all of you, are non-subscribers, so you should be familiar with my content. We use integrated marketing strategies that make money. I integrate, in this example, your Google Business Profile with your Canva, and I will turn your Google Business Profile from this, that, has nothing on it, needs work, no optimization whatsoever, to this. A lively, vibrant, everything's getting posted, boosting in the results, and getting views Canva profile. If you don't have a Google Business Profile and you need local SEO, check out the videos in the description below. I build a Google Business Profile in under 5 minutes and get you started. All right, you notice this? You notice the correlation? Yes, step 1, build your Google Business Profile. All right, after you have your Canva, I could cheap out and say step 1, get Canva Pro. No, step 1, build a Google Business Profile. If you're a local business, if you're not a local business, build your storefront. All right. So within Canva, you have many options to you. You can preview virtually unlimited templates that are segmented into their own categories. You can use Instagram templates, infographic templates, portrait templates, logo templates, cover photo templates, business card templates, literally anything and everything. All of these templates, be careful, all of these templates serve a purpose within their own niche. The easiest way to generate content examples for clients, if you do not have any currently and you're just starting out, is to take these templates that are within a business niche that you want to target, for example, dentists, or you're hosting a Christmas event for a corporate company, or you're making posters for said event for a client. Either way, you can make designs like this. I'm probably going to be in the box, but they're all up there in less than 10 minutes. and honestly, it's not that hard, because once you're on a roll, that 10 minutes turns into less than 5 minutes. And using those led me to land this client for 3 months, and that contract alone quit my job and live comfortably with this, as well as having other clients. But this was a main driver, and the answer was so simple, and I'm sharing that with you. You as well can take inspiration from this and make money online with Canva easily. In the background, I'm going to have how I took a template from a regular old Christmas template and customized it, color-coded it, and branded it to make it my own. In the meantime, you're going to listen and you're going to take notes. So step 1, have a Google Business Profile or a website or any sort of online entity where you can share content and have something to refer to, or have your target niche, okay? Step 2, take that target niche, anything, okay, and you're going to put it into Canva. You're going to find related fields. You're going to look at specific topics. You're going to look at businesses in these fields and see what they are posting. With this content, you're going to take the posts that have the most engagement. If you can't view the likes, you click them and you scroll and you roughly estimate, and you take the highest performing content and you make a better version of it. 3, using primarily Google Business Profiles or any social media channel, you will create designs and templates for these people to use for free, like I am doing right now in the video, and you are going to send it to them. You're going to brand it to them, which will take 1 minute per company. You can target 3, 5, 10, 15 companies, send out emails and follow up with cold emails, and use those Google Business Profiles, send out the Canva templates, land some graphic design contracts, and make yourself some money. It's the holiday season, so make sure you enter my $50 Amazon gift card draw. First draw is on the 17th, and then once that one is over on the 18th, I'll be opening up a new one, and we will see what that is for, because, it's 2023, and let's see what we got going on here. So if you like that, remember to like, subscribe, share, follow, check out all the other channels, check out related videos, and most of all, keep learning, keep growing, and keep advancing yourself.